Stop scrolling. This business idea could completely change your income. Watch this full video till the end, and I promise you'll know exactly how to start your own handmade chocolate business from home. Hi, I'm Manu, and today I'm sharing a high-profit chocolate-making business idea that thousands of people are already starting from home to earn amazing income. I uploaded a chocolate-making video before, and your response was incredible. Because of your high demand, today I'm bringing you a long, detailed video where I'll teach you multiple chocolate-making methods so you can start your own business. In this video, you'll learn how to melt chocolate the right way, how to use molds, how to design chocolates beautifully, how to add dry fruits, how to decorate and pack them, how to sell them online and offline, full profit calculation and total investment needed, the best places to buy your supplies depending on your country. First, let me tell you, this business requires very low investment. You only need chocolate compound bars, molds of different shapes, dry fruits like almonds and cashews, wrappers, ribbons, stickers, and small packaging boxes. Your starting cost is around $20 to $40, so even beginners and students can start easily. Now, let's talk about profit. Handmade chocolates have very high margins because people love designer chocolates that taste fresh and look amazing. If one box costs you $2 to $3 to make, you can easily sell it for $8 to $12, especially with premium design and packaging. That's around 200% to 300% profit per order during festivals, birthdays, weddings, baby showers, and corporate events. Profits go even higher because of bulk orders. Chocolates you can make. I've already shared videos on dry fruit chocolates, date and cashew chocolates, heart-shaped chocolates, bar chocolates, and decorated chocolates. You can watch those step by step. In today's video, I'll show even more methods. Pick any method and start your business. Step-by-step chocolate making. 1. Melt chocolate using a double boiler so it doesn't burn. 2. Pour into molds. Then add almonds, cashews, pistachios, dates, raisins, or any dry fruits. You can even mix dry fruits inside for a luxurious taste. 3. Tap the molds lightly to remove bubbles. Freeze for a few minutes until set. When removed, the chocolate will shine naturally if melted correctly. Decoration ideas. Drizzle white chocolate. Add edible gold dust, sprinkles, nuts on top, or marble patterns. Your creativity is your strongest tool. Unique designs attract more customers. People buy chocolates for both taste and appearance. Packaging tips. Use small boxes, clear cups, or gift boxes. Add a logo sticker or brand name and include a thank you card. Good packaging makes chocolates look premium and helps increase your price. Selling your chocolates. Instagram, TikTok shop, Facebook marketplace, WhatsApp business, local gift shops, event planners, or home delivery. Supplies. USA and UK Amazon. Pakistan Daraz. Other countries, comment your country and I'll guide you where to buy online. So please make sure to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon and like this video so you receive every new notification first. Your likes help me understand which videos and methods you enjoy the most. I will keep trying my best to share ideas with the lowest investment and highest possible profit so you can earn in dollars and grow your income day by day. Starting a business always feels a little difficult in the beginning, but trust me, one day you will become successful, confident, and a strong business owner, all while working from your home. Take care of yourself, keep learning, and don't forget to like and comment. I will see you in the next video. And before I end this video, I want to leave you with a powerful American quote that inspires millions. The only limit to our success is the one we set in our own mind. Franklin D. Roosevelt. When you believe you can achieve something, your journey becomes unstoppable. This quote is a reminder that your success begins with your mindset. Let me also share a quick example of someone who started from zero and grew into a global success. Do you know how Oprah Winfrey began her journey? She started with nothing, no money, no support, no special resources, but she worked consistently, believed in her skills, trusted her creativity, and built an empire from the ground up. Today, she is one of the most successful and influential women in the world, simply because she never stopped learning and never stopped trying. This is the kind of mindset that makes ordinary people extraordinary. Your own creation, and your own income that stays with you your entire life. You can launch your own brand, put your name on every piece, and build a reputation that grows every single day. People will recognize your work, your creativity, and your brand identity. So, instead of wasting hours scrolling, start building your future today. Because successful people don't waste time. They create something valuable from it. And yes, if you want the full list of molds, shop bases, materials, and accessories, then make sure you are subscribed to the channel, you have pressed the bell icon, and you have liked this video. After that, just comment link please, and I will send all the links directly to you. So, start this business today. Build your own brand and turn your creativity into a full-time earning source. I'll see you in the next business idea video. Take care and keep creating. Also, I would love to know where you are watching my video from. So please let me know in the comments. And yes, if you want, I can give you the complete list of direct purchase links. Just comment link please, and I'll send everything directly to you. Now let's talk about investment and profit. You can start this amazing business with only $15 to $30, including molds, base materials, and accessories. The cost to make one piece usually stays between $4 to $8, but you can easily sell each piece for $18 to $35, depending on your design and size. This means your profit margin is extremely high, around $12 to $25 per piece. If you make 20 pieces a month, you earn around $240 to $500. And if you make 50 pieces, your earnings can reach $600 to $1,200 or even more. When your design goes viral, the income becomes unlimited. And just like that, you can grow too. Maybe today you're starting your chocolate business from a small corner of your home. Maybe you feel nervous or confused. But remember, every successful person was once a beginner. Success doesn't come overnight. It comes to those who stay consistent, keep learning, and show up every day. Whenever you feel low, remind yourself, small steps every day lead to big results. Your first chocolate, first order, first customer. These small steps will take you toward a big, successful future. Believe in your creativity and in the power of your hard work. Your life can change, and it will. Before we finish, here's something every beginner must know. Choosing the right chocolate is the biggest secret behind professional quality results. People ask me, which chocolate is best? Which one gives shine? Which one is easy for beginners? Here's the simple answer. If you're a beginner, start with compound chocolate because it melts easily, no tempering needed, shiny finish, sets quickly, perfect for warm countries, budget friendly. Choose dark, milk, or white compound based on your design. Later, when you want premium taste, you can upgrade to couverture chocolate, but remember, it needs proper tempering. Best beginner and premium brands: Callebaut Premium, Belgian Dark, Baker's Choice, Candy Melts, Sapphire/Wilton/Merkins. Perfect for heart molds, bars, dry fruit chocolates, dates, marble designs, and gift boxes. And always remember, good chocolate plus good design equals high profit.